how to change the Gboard font size to make it bigger or smaller on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Gboard Settings. Now we go to the top, then tap on Preferences. Then we go down and tap on Font Size. Drag on the slider to the left or to the right to make it smaller or bigger. Here I set it to 85%, and you can see the font has now go smaller. And if I tap it to the right hand side, this will increase the size to a larger size. And that's it. So that is how you can adjust the font size to suit your need. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.